This is an iPad, an Apple machine of 2017. An iPad 2017 iPad or 9.7 inch iPad, whatever you can call it. So I am using this iPad little bit more than 3 weeks, and frankly speaking this is my first ever tablet. So it's March 2018, 1 year passed, and this iPad has essentially the same design. Definitely it is slightly thicker than the new ones, but not enough for anybody to care about it. In my case, it's space gray. I turned it on approximately 3 weeks ago, and honestly, I use this iPad occasionally, like to stream videos, for notes and for general stuff, nothing crazy like that. So, hardware is packed by the rectangular metal body. No doubt it is very well built, and that's what Apple is known for. It's super sleek design, right? Well, finished Apple logo on the back, and because it's iPad Air, no antenna line on the back. At a glance it looks bigger in hand, but it is middle version with the similar footprint of an iPad mini. But you might think about the bezels. Yep, it has not so much reduced bezels like an iPad Pro, but yeah, definitely you can ignore them. The reason why I am still in love with this product is its display. I think all the iPads are defined by its screen. This iPad has super clean retina display, and that's make me watch every videos in full HD. The 9.7 inch display on this machine comes with 2048x1536 resolution. Unfortunately, I am missing True Tone display, which could make it even more beautiful. Anyways, lot of time I can't even think about its chipset. Yeah, it's able to perform the hard stuff even though it has the old 64-bit A9 chip. Yeah, that's not the super old. Apple has just moved to the Apple A11 Bionic chip. With the coupled 2 gigs of RAM, it can play fast, it can surf fast, it can create fast anywhere and easily. It is true I don't clean every apps from the recents, and just through my daily usage, I haven't come across any lags in apps. These things just crushes everything. But with that, it gets little bit of warm, and I get some sweat on it. And this problem solves this leather case. Apple has packed this iPad with the magnet to hold up the smart covers. The most impressive part is how many applications it keeps in memory and how long. Honestly, I mess with the application and I don't clear from the background. One instance, I went back through the multitasking UI to open one app, and the fact that it was opened yesterday. It was still right there and working just fine. That's pretty dope. So the hardware makes it monster. Apple A9 chip, 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. Now to run the whole engine, the whole system as a fuel, Apple provides massive 8827 mAh battery. And I find it quite impressive. I mean, Apple claims usually 10 hours of battery life, and I don't found that to be conservative, but pretty accurate. Usually I get 1.5 days of full usage and sometimes more than that, thanks to the standby time. It is good though, but the thing I am missing is quick charge. It roughly takes more than 4.5 hours to get full charge from 0 to 100%. That could be more convenient to charge this massive battery fast to reuse this thing. I am super disappointed with its camera. 8 megapixel camera on the back, surprisingly without flash, not the super clean picture you can get from the device, and especially at the night. And the main reason is its sharp display. These things makes you completely able to catch the noise in the pictures. Additionally, with this 9.7 inch iPad, you will get one feature, that is live photos. Yes, same as the iPhones, it can also easily scan the document to add them in notes. You can shoot 1080p Full HD videos. The front camera is about 1.2 megapixel, not much good for the selfies or FaceTime in low light condition. Well, I carry this thing with Takano pouch, which is super beautiful and made out of soft cloth. It holds up my iPad with my books and chargers. I am fan of its color, so little shout out to Takano for making this. Now obviously this big thing is for videos and games. The speakers should be the best, and indeed it is. Speakers provide crisp sound, and also the volume level is pretty decent. So this is awesome. I really enjoy using this iPad even though it has A9 chip. All the in-app experience are fast and accurate, and all the between app experience are faster. So that's in a nutshell, it's perfect iPad for me. But that does not mean that it is the best, still it's run on the latest iOS version. I got it in big sale for the worth price, but for the actual price of today, I can still consider buying it. But definitely it will be good if you can go for even more affordable model. But the honest answer is, it will come over on your every expected things. As far as this tablet concerned, this is pure. I mean, great battery life, good display, crisp speaker. So yeah, for this thing, there is thumbs up for me. So that's pretty much for this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more amazing content, and stay tuned, my brother.